Hi, this is our M-800 model. It's our milling machine. Basically, this machine is an 800 millimeter travel on the x-axis. The spindle is a Cat 40, which goes up to 10,000 RPM. The bearings on these are really unique. They're roller guide bearings. So they're thicker, more rigid for a heavier load of material. This machine has a tool arm magazine, so up to 24 tools. So it's really quick. It can take about 2 seconds to change from one tool to another tool. The unique part of this controller is our FAGOR 8065 controller. The really neat feature of this has a TeamViewer on it, so we can remotely access this controller when it's hooked up to the Ethernet at the customer shop, so we can have quick service and analyze and see if there's any problems with your controller, or help with training, or how to load drawings and stuff like that. The neat thing about this is it has over 2,000 look-align ahead, so when you're doing your contour, it creates a smooth surface when it's doing our circular interpolation or cutting corners and stuff like that.